Open up Joule and then click on the Knowledge Base tab. In the Knowledge Base tab, one of the topics is Utility Programs. Click on Utility Program and you will see utility programs to do a QEEG with Freedom 10, as well as Cogniotics 20, and of course Discovery. I'm going to click on 19 channel Discovery High Resolution No Limit QEEG set assessment impedance lid filters. It is essential that you record data with filters. If you do not record it with filters, then the data will have to be filtered later, which is an extra step. Next, after checking it, we will click Create Protocols, and there it is, the 19-channel high-resolution 19-channel QEEG assessment with filters. I'm simply going to double-click and open up BrainAvatar automatically because it was closed, and now I'm opening it from scratch. Create a new study with these settings. Now Avatar will prompt you for the name Joe QEEG. And now we click OK, create with current settings. And let's put in Joe's age. Use settings and close. Here is our basic acquisition screen with the impedance lid. And now we can begin recording. So first you click on Go. And of course, we're running this in simulation. And we will click Yes. Notice the impedance lid is all zeros because this is a simulation. And you would have to make sure that your impedance numbers, especially the earlobes, are 5 kilo ohms or less. And then you say OK. And if the data looks good, remember this is a simulation, if the data looks good and the impedance numbers are 5 or less, then you can click OK to begin recording. Now we're noticing the clock. It's at 3 seconds, 6 seconds. You will do a recording that is likely at least 3 minutes or more with eyes closed. But we're going to do it for 30 seconds. And once we reach 30 seconds, I'm going to click stop. Now we have 31 seconds of data with eyes closed. How do we do an eyes opened? We go back and we click on eyes open. And then, of course, we click go. Okay. We make sure the data looks good. We've controlled for blinking by having the client looking downward. And we're going to record another 31 seconds. Of course, remember, it should be 3 minutes at least. So notice the clock started at 31 and 30 times 2 is 60. So we'll be acquiring at least a total of 62 seconds. Of course, as we're recording, we're checking the data, the QEEG recording, the waveforms, and we're making sure the impedance is holding at 5 or less. And now we're reaching 60 seconds. So I'm going to stop and click OK. We now have an eyes closed and eyes open recording. Now we're going to open up BrainAvatar studies. We're going to go to Joe's file, and there we see his eyes closed and eyes open EDF file. Always check this before you take the cap off of someone's head. That concludes data acquisition for your first QEEG.